All right, Wyatt, we got some stormy weather going on. Look at this map.
It's lighting up a little bit like a Christmas tree,
Yes, it
Kelly.
is.
Some big storms here. So far, the biggest reports we've had have been actually 3/4-inch hail when some of these storms were born out in the Frederick area. So hail, large, and also some damaging winds maybe. Fortunately, no tornado warnings or watches up right now, so nothing like what we saw earlier today out in North Dakota. This is Watford City. We just wanted to show you this because of the incredible weather video here. I mean, look at the angle of this camera view. Storm chaser Dan Jorgensen with that. Now, let's zoom in a little bit and show you exactly what we're seeing here locally. Now, 3 warnings on the board right now in Maryland. One for eastern Cecil County. We're not talking about the western edge of the county toward Hartford, but this is headed quickly into northern Delaware. New warning just came up, actually. That's going to be the extension of this storm coming out of basically Montgomery County, now moving into southwestern Howard County, and ultimately probably northern Anne Arundel County. Maybe even Baltimore City will get warned off of this storm, and then another storm, northern Queen Anne's County, though this one also headed into Delaware. Let's take a look at all of this now with Maryland's most powerful radar. That's what you're looking at right now. And as we zoom in just a little bit, it looks like we may have had just a little bit of a computer lockup here, but the bottom line is you can see that arc of about 500 lightning strikes as it moved through Bel Air, through northern Maryland, and ultimately tracked in a northeasterly direction. Future radar does show that this storm cluster will last for another 60, maybe 90 minutes, but ultimately most of this activity is going to quickly clear the state. The watch is technically up through 10 p.m. It may be cut a little bit short of that. Then tomorrow afternoon, we could see another severe thunderstorm outbreak, some scattered storm action looking like it could be south of Baltimore, but I will tell you, on these heat and humidity-driven storm days, it's tough for the models to pinpoint exactly where those clusters are going to line up. Take a look. Future rainfall totals could be around 2/3 of an inch, but not enough to support flooding. We don't think we have a flood threat either tonight or into the day tomorrow. As we take a live look at the city right now, you can see the rain coming down, a stormy sky for Baltimore, and perhaps, just perhaps, we're going to get a warning here for the city off that storm that's moving due east, coming in out of the Howard County area. So stay tuned on that. 84 right now at BWI. Heat and humidity still very, very high, and the heat index values showing you why those storms are still popping at a pretty good clip, especially now from Baltimore eastward, especially over there in Queen Anne's County. Temperature still up near 90 there when you add the heat plus humidity. That heat index value, total CAPE or available energy, helping to drive those storms. Look at the highs today. Just before those storms broke out, we hit 90 in Frederick, 89 in the Inner Harbor, and 90 down in Cambridge. Tonight, never out of the low 70s. It stays sticky, muggy, and summer-like. And then tomorrow, enough warmth, heat, and humidity to spark some more storms, though not as hot as today, and perhaps the storms not quite as numerous. And then this, much cooler air arriving on your day Thursday. We may not get out of the upper 60s. What a change that will be from the 90s out there today. Scattered showers and storms again possible again tomorrow afternoon. Widely scattered action could really hit or miss anywhere in Maryland. And then I think Thursday looking like a drier setup. Any rain showers tomorrow evening should taper off late on your Wednesday night, setting us up for a drier Thursday. Big picture, it is tough to fly or take the train anywhere across the East Coast. Storms from Boston and Maine all the way back to Little Rock, Arkansas, and all the way up into Fargo, North Dakota, where, of course, we were looking at some tornado video earlier, up there in the northern plains. Cool front is up there. It's a slow mover, but ultimately this comes down. It may spark some storms as it does that tomorrow, but for Thursday, you're going to feel the cool relief behind this thing. Tonight, 67, still thunderstorms certainly around. Possibility for some to be strong to severe. 85 tomorrow, your 2-year guarantee. Another day where storms will be a possibility. Look at the next few days here. We find temperatures running cooler after tomorrow. Way cooler. 68 on Thursday, 75 on Friday. We bounce back. Look at the weekend. Temps up around 70 with lots of sunshine. Stay tuned. We're going to be right back with more In Focus.